you clicked this video because you want to learn one of the simplest ways on how to make money online today. I am also excited to teach you this new method that I recently found. Make sure to watch until the very end because I will teach you every step that you need in order to make money online. And this method is available all around the world, so don't worry if you are living outside the US or you are living from the north or the south, you can still earn easily with this method. But this method is not for the lazy. Like some people that are just watching this video and not doing anything, and then you will find in the comment section that they're not earning money. I don't want you to experience that. So make sure to actually try this method on your own and follow every step that I will make. This video will not guarantee you big money, but I will make sure that this method can be an extra gig for you and you can earn money while at home. So stay until the very end of this video so you can earn money and count it on your hand. So what are we waiting for? Let's roll the intro! But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Magmoney, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Now let's go back to the video. So before we start, I just want you to know that you do not need any college degrees or you do not need to be a professional in doing this. Also, if you own a laptop, well, that is good. I know you might be worried because you might only have a cell phone. Well, guess what? You can also earn money just by using your phone, as long as you have an internet connection. Isn't that great? I will explain every detail and step-by-step process so that anyone who is watching this video can follow along with what I am doing. I'm sure that after this video, you will open your laptop and try the method that you've learned. After that, you will go out, you will buy food, go shopping, because I know you've already earned some money that you've earned just by watching this video. These websites are user-friendly websites because you do not need to be tech-savvy to earn money online. All you need is to watch all my videos, watch carefully, and listen properly. After that, try it out on yourself and then enjoy your easily earned money. I know you cannot wait on what this new method is that I'm talking about, so let's now dive into the tutorial. This is the website that we are going to use. I personally love this website because I use this website too. This website is very user-friendly and you can learn how to use this properly. But first, let me explore this website that we are going to use for today. But after that, click the subscribe button below and share this video to your friends and families or to your social media accounts so in that way, you can also help people earn some money. Now let's go back. On this website, we can actually earn money just by reviewing applications or software that this website offers us. This website wants our opinions and our experience through different applications or software that we can review. They will actually pay us just by reviewing software and programs that they do not own. But don't worry, I know you're thinking that, what if I haven't used this application or this software? How can I create a review for it? Don't worry, because in this video, I will teach you how you can get this work done in less than 2 minutes, and you do not need to worry about what you're going to fill in for those questions that they will ask you when reviewing the software. So make sure to watch until the very end and watch carefully because I will teach you the bonus part that will make this method easier and can make you work less. So in that way, you can think about other things that you can do at your home, or maybe you can go sleep early and enjoy your easily earned money. So basically, this website is the world's leading software for reviews and selection platforms. Here, we can see that they are offering over 1 million verified software reviews. Imagine you can select any software that you want because they have so many options and choices. Also, as I've told you, this website is 100% free and you do not need to prepare some money. This website is called Capterra.com. As you can see, we can browse over different categories if we do not want to browse that million list of software. Are you curious about how much money we are talking about here? Well, you can earn up to $20 every 5 minutes of your time. If you stay with me until the very end, I will teach you how you can earn this $20 in less than 2 minutes and how to make over $10 again and again without having to buy the software for yourself. You can see how much money people are making in Capterra because you have so much software to review on this website. Also, you may be wondering why they would pay you $20 for every 5 minutes that you work, and the answer to that is the software owner or the product owner is willing to pay that much money. And that is because having 5-star reviews and positive feedback creates social proof for them, and that allows them to make a lot of sales, and that is a great return for their investment. So you can just basically review every software that was listed in here, and you can review any software you want. The next step is for you to click this button right here that says Write a Review. That will take you to this page where you can find thousands of software in every category that you can review. You can also search for a specific company or specific product that you want. As I told you earlier, when someone wants to buy software or a digital product, they will most likely go online and search more about it, so that people will see if this product is good or worth it to buy. That is why Capterra is willing to pay us, because this software and companies are actually paying Capterra because those companies that own this software gain popularity and attention, so people will buy that software that has good reviews, and those companies will get more and more sales and will earn more. If you think this video helps you a lot, please give this video a thumbs up and please click that subscribe button down below and turn on that notification bell so in that way, I can notify you whenever I upload more videos on how to make money online. Now let's go back. As you can see, you can review all of these popular products that other professionals are using. These are just a few of those most popular softwares. But there are literally thousands and thousands of other softwares that you can write a review about. So there will definitely be no shortage of ways on how to make money with Capterra.com. Now if you go to Browse Categories, you will be able to see thousands and thousands of different categories or software. Then you can open up with anything from business-related software to customer service software to data collection software to email software and so on and so forth. So as you can see, there's a lot of potential on this website alone. Now you can select any software you want and just review it. Remember I promised the bonus tip on how you can make this work finished within 2 minutes of your time? Here is how you can do it. Now you want to copy the software that you chose and go back to Google. When you are in Google, just search for a review for the specific software that you choose and you can see a lot of reviews that will be listed in Google. You can get different ideas and you can look at people's experiences with the software that you chose. Of course, we do not want to copy and paste those whole reviews because Capterra will know it and they will not accept your review. This will save you so much time and you do not need to spend hours and hours going through the software. You also do not need to buy the software on your own and actually try it. Now that you know the basic tips and tricks on this website, let's get back to the website and start reviewing the software that we chose. So you will come over to this page after clicking the software you choose. Just enter the details that Capterra is asking you. After filling that information, you will receive this question that says, how frequently do you use this software? You need to select daily or weekly. Because if you select monthly, then Capterra will not accept your review and they will just throw it away. After you answer that, below it there's a question that says, what is your role in using this software? Just select I am a user, so they can know that you actually bought the application that you are reviewing. After that, click the next button right here. Now your screen should look like this. This is the actual review that you need to do. You can just go over here and select those 5 stars to this website. Or what you can do is, go to Google again and search for ideas if this software deserves to have a 5-star rating. Other ratings are just optional to complete. But here's the trick that people don't actually know. The more you complete these reviews or the more questions you answer, the higher chances of making money. They actually don't mind if you just click anything while reviewing. They just want you to complete it and they will actually pay you for that. It's pretty easy, right? So after you answer those questions, click next again. This is the final step in reviewing. Now here is how we can use the trick that I shared to you earlier. You will just put a title for your review, and then after that, you will go to Google and get some ideas on other people's reviews. Remember, you do not want to copy and paste the whole review that you are searching on Google. We need to paraphrase it and construct it like it was our own review about the software. Just answer all these questions that Capterra is asking you. You can leave some other questions if it says optional beside it. After answering those questions on the very end, you can see the message that you certified to every review that you put. Just click on the checkbox and click submit. And that is how you can make money through Capterra.com. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, smash the like button for me and click subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell, okay? As always, if you have any questions, concerns, and comments, just go to the comments section down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!